Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to share the benefits and usage of retinol. First of all, we will learn what is retinol. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A and is commonly used in skincare products. Due to its beneficial effects on the skin, it is a type of retinoid, which is a broader class of compounds related to vitamin A. Now we will learn the benefits of using retinol on our skin. Here are 7 benefits of using retinol. Number 1. Anti-aging. Retinol promotes cell turnover and stimulates collagen production, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leading to smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Number 2. Improved skin texture. By encouraging the shedding of old, dead skin cells and the generation of new ones, retinol helps to smooth out rough patches and improve overall skin texture. Number 3. Fading hyperpigmentation. Retinol can help reduce the appearance of dark spots, age spots, and uneven skin tone by accelerating cell turnover and promoting the shedding of pigmented cells. Number 4. Acne treatment. It helps to unclog pores, reduce acne lesions, and minimize the appearance of post-acne scars by encouraging the turnover of skin cells and preventing the formation of new comedones, also known as clogged pores. Number 5. Enhanced radiance. Regular use of retinol can result in a brighter, more even complexion, as it promotes the removal of dull, dead skin cells and supports the growth of fresh, healthy skin. Number 6. Reduced pore size. By preventing pores from becoming clogged and promoting the turnover of skin cells, retinol can help make pores appear smaller and less noticeable. Number 7. Increased skin resilience. Over time, retinol can help improve the overall resilience of your skin, making it more resistant to environmental damage and stressors. Now, learning how to use retinol is very important. So when using retinol, it's important to start with a lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin builds tolerance. Additionally, retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So it's crucial to use sunscreen daily while incorporating retinol into your routine. There are different types of retinols for each skin type. Here are a list of some retinols based on specific skin type. For normal skin, we can use standard retinol, a moderate concentration. 0.5% to 1% of retinol is usually effective. It helps with anti-aging, texture, and pigmentation without causing excessive irritation. For dry skin, there are 2 types of retinols. First, A. Retinol with hydrating ingredients. Look for retinols combined with hydrating agents like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides. These can help minimize dryness and flakiness. Second, retinol dihigh. Less irritating than retinol and can be a good option for sensitive, dry skin. For oily, acne-prone skin, retinol or retinoid with higher concentrations can be beneficial, 0.5% to 1%. They help with acne and controlling oil production. And also microencapsulated retinol. This form releases retinol gradually, reducing irritation and making it suitable for oily and acne-prone skin. For sensitive skin, we can use the following. Number 1. Low-strength retinol. Start with lower concentration, 0.1% to 0.5% to minimize irritation. Number 2. Retinol dihigh. Milder and generally less irritating than retinol. Number 3. Encapsulated retinol. Slowly releases the active ingredient, which can be gentler on sensitive skin. For combination skin, you can use balanced retinol formulations. Opt for a retinol product that isn't too strong but still effective. Look for a concentration of 0.5% to 0.5% and consider products with added soothing agents. Here are some additional tips that may help you. Number 1. Patch test. Always do a patch test when trying a new retinol product. Number 2. Start slow. Introduce retinol gradually to allow your skin to adjust and reduce the risk of irritation. Number 3. Sun protection. Use sunscreen daily, as retinol can increase sensitivity to the sun. I hope you found out our video helpful. If yes, then subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this.